Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 29th, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. And two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. But you are not interested in that puzzle, but this one, yes, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle and number 5557. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17. Yeah, 17 printed digits. All right. So it's 8 by 8. That means in a row, in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. All right. So let's get started. Double. Here one, there one. Double. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then. Well. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yeah. And now double O, here one, there one. Yeah. Need to compare. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we need to compare. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Okay, 3 ones. We have here. Okay. Yeah. Here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in the first column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. 4 O's we have now in the first row, so the rest are ones. Okay. Come on. This is taking too long. 3 ones. We still have 3 ones in the first column. If I place number 4 here, we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Alright, and now. And now. 3 we have here. Here I cannot place 1, 2. Okay, I think we need to compare. And look, this row and that row. Oh, 1. Oh, empty box. 1, empty box. Oh. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Okay. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Here we have 3. Okay, need to compare again. I believe. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. How about the columns then? Nope, this is not the same. Yeah. We have a 101 here. This column and that column. Okay, so 1 1 0 1 1 empty box. 0 1 1 empty box. 0 need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O then. Okay, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Well, compare again. No. 3 times. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah, we need to 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah. Well, we have a double 1 here. The rows I cannot continue. 1001 here. We have a 100. Yeah. This row and that row. All right. Last comparing. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 empty box. Empty box. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be no. We have a O here. This should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 O. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4. Yes, completed in 6 minutes. With 3 times comparing, I believe. 1 2 3. Yes. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.